Greetings, Professor Hobo here. I'm coming at you with a quick update about BLUETTI. BLUETTI wants me to let you guys know that the AC200P is now up on Amazon. This is the first time the AC200 series has appeared on Amazon, and it's appearing at a special price. Right now it's available for $17.99 on Amazon. That's $200 off the normal price. Now this price is only going to be good until December 27th, which is 7 days from today. After that, the price is permanently going up to at least $18.99. Now this is the AC200P. This is the lithium iron phosphate version, which is different from the version that was on Indiegogo. Now I did do a review on this product. It's going to be linked at the very end of this video if you're interested in finding out what this thing can do. So again, that price is $17.99 until December 27th, and after that, it's going to go up. If you're interested in the BLUETTI AC200P, there's a link below in the description. It'll take you to the Amazon page, and the $200 off is instant. You don't need any kind of special promo codes or anything. There is a coupon that you're going to need to check that coupon box on the Amazon page in order to get that $200 off. And in other news, some of you already know that I finally cleaned out my storage of almost 4 years, and one of the things I got back was my early 90s computer that runs Windows 98. Now why do I have that? That's for fun. I got games and stuff on there, stuff that won't run on modern systems. So I did get a whole bunch of stuff out of my storage, and you're going to probably see some artwork and other things eventually appearing in the videos. I also want to let you guys know I've literally been asked hundreds of times about this next product, and I finally got my hands on it. It's the ElecHive from Zero Breeze. Yes, it actually exists. I believe I'm the first one to get one of these. It's a very early prototype model. I am doing the discharge test on it right now. It's going to take about 22 hours on this time lapse. So this video should be coming up, probably in about a week. I'm going to try to get it done before Christmas. So anybody who still wants to get in on the Indiegogo campaign on this can still get in on this. And they're making all kinds of crazy claims on this. I'm going to test every single one of those claims. I'm going to push this thing to its limit, and I'm actually going to try to blow it up. We'll see if we can blow it up or not. So stay tuned for that video, and if you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe so you can be notified when this video posts. Now what you hear making all that noise in the background is this. This is a Montek X1000. It is hitting Indiegogo this week. I am one of the first ones to get my hands on one of these, and I already did the discharge test on it. It looks pretty good. I'm going to be doing some additional tests in the next week. This is a waterproof solar generator. Yes, actually waterproof. It's got rubber seals around everything. Something really neat is that inside it has its own solar panel built in. So you take the solar panel out and hook it up. It's all inside the case, including all the cables. All these cables go inside the case. And so far, I've been pretty impressed with it. I also want to remind everybody, because a lot of people don't seem to know, I do have a Patreon. And patrons get to see these things first. I'll usually post pictures and a little description of stuff that I just get in and just unbox and just start working on. Sometimes days, weeks, or even months before the video posts. So if you really want the inside scoop on some of the stuff that I'm going to be testing, in fact, I do have an electric bike coming up, a really nice electric bike coming up. I'm sure many of you are going to be interested in that. And that is also a bike that was on Indiegogo, but is now a retail bike. And so far, it's pretty impressive. I'm still testing it out. But my patrons already know about the bike. They've already seen it. So if you're interested in getting early sneak peeks of this kind of stuff, join my Patreon. The link is at the end of every single video and in the description. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, AC200P is on sale only until the 27th. Link in the description below. If you learned something today, don't forget to give me a thumbs up below. And if you're not a subscriber already, you know what to do. That's it for now. Till next time.
Odin commands you to like and subscribe. And clean my litter box.
Hey Odin, how many F's do you give about the BLUETTI AC200 being on Amazon? That's what I thought.
RV Golf Guy, Z Foxfighter, Jack Smith.